Today, I'm going to show you how to send a form in Mailchimp quickly and easily so you can share your sign-up form with anyone without confusion. This is a really useful process if you want to collect subscribers, leads, or sign-ups and send your form link by email, message, or on social media. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, open your web browser and go to Mailchimp. Once the website loads, sign in using your account credentials. After you log in, you'll be taken to your Mailchimp dashboard. From here, you want to look at the menu and click on Forms. This is where Mailchimp keeps all of your sign-up and form settings. Next, click on Other Forms. This section contains different form options that you can use for your audience. Once you're inside, scroll down until you see Form Builder, then click it. The Form Builder is where you can view and edit the form before you share it. If you want to customize the wording, adjust the fields, or make small changes to how the form looks, this is the place to do it. Take a moment to review the form carefully. Make sure the fields you want are included, and check that everything looks the way you want it to before sending it out. If your goal is just to share the form, you do not need to overcomplicate this step. But if you want to make edits first, you can do that here and save your changes. Now, if you want to send the form to someone, the easiest way is to copy the sign-up form URL. Mailchimp gives you a direct link that you can share anywhere. Just copy that sign-up form URL, then paste it into an email, text message, direct message, or wherever you need to send it. The person receiving the link can open it and fill out the form right away. This is a simple and effective way to share your Mailchimp form without needing to embed it on a website first. It works great if you want to reach people fast and keep the process easy. So remember the basic flow: sign in, click forms, click other forms, open Form Builder, make any edits you want, then copy the sign-up form URL and send it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support the content and lets me know to make more step-by-step tutorials for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.